Yoi! I've recently made 2 upgrades for my kitchen. I'm not sure if you've seen it. Here they are. A cabinet shelf organizer and a modular drawer organization by Grid, also known as Gridify. They are being very useful, so I decided to make another one for the rest of the tableware. It's not exactly the same layout, and it's not even the same models, only the grid, but it's the same concept. And I also did another cabinet shelf organizer to divide the rest of the plates I have. So yeah, let's go! Those divisions are all very similar, because the knives, forks and spoons are all about the same size, so you can't mess it too much here. Except this one. You will see what it is for. Okay, here we go. Let's move this. And now we just have to put them there. One, two, three. Making the puzzle here. Okay, and 2 more. This one will be a bit hidden back there for the knives. And yeah, let's put them there. See if they fit. I think they do. Perfect. This little one can go as well. Now the usual table stuff. Okay, and these little ones, we don't have a lot of those, small forkies, but we sure do have a lot of these. Yeah. And this is how it is today. I changed a bit, but not that much. Okay, the drawer is done. Now let's divide the shelf in half. Here we got one side, kinda big to remove, okay, there it is. And another one, I removed the leg so we have more space in the front, let's see how it goes. Now we have to remove the stuff so we can put it there. And join the pieces together. And it's ready, okay. A bit of a twist here. Opa! Okay, it holds. Good. And a smaller one to this side. There we go. Double the space. There we go. We now have the tableware organized and also a lot more space to use. So another win for the upgrade. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe if you liked it and want to see the next one. See ya!